Hi everyone, welcome to an SMB Solutions Cloud Services tutorial video. What I'm going to be going through with you today is how to use the SMB Solutions HTML5 Web Client. So the screen that I've got in front of you may look familiar to quite a few of you. This is our gateway. So as you can see just up here in the top web browser bar, I've got gateway.smbsolutions.com.au/rdweb. So when you type that in and press enter, it brings you up to this page here, which looks like your normal logon page. So instead of clicking log on like you normally would, instead I want you to come down here to the bottom right hand box that says web links. When you scroll down through these options here, you can then click on web browser client. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one there. Great. So as that's loading up here in front of me, it's brought me to another sign-in screen, which already has my login details saved. So just make sure, same as always, whenever you're logging in, make sure you put in your SMB Solutions / before you put in your username and password. And I'm going to click sign in here. Great. So this is what might look a little bit different to what you will see because I have access to quite a few different programs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here into my SAP Business One HANA 9.3 patch level 9. Lovely. And I'm going to go into here into my SAP Business One. Lovely. And I'm going to allow. So I'm just going to give that a moment to load up here. So this is basically the same as using your SAP Business One. It's using the exact same file, the exact same documents. All of your settings and everything will be exactly the same. You're just accessing it through the web browser rather than accessing it through your desktop directly. So it means that when you're out and about and doing other things, you can jump onto any computer, any laptop, and you can access your SAP Business One. So a couple of features that I want to show you here. We have up here in the top right hand corner, this is our full size button, our full screen button. So when you click that, that takes you to the full screen. And obviously if you want to get out of the full screen, you just click that button again. Okay. Now, this menu here is the SMB Solutions menu. You might not be able to see the top of your SAP Business One and you want to actually access that top menu bar. So to remove the SMB Solutions menu bar and access the SAP Business One menu bar, you just click this up button here. It says unpin the navigation bar, and then you can see your full SAP Business One program here. Okay. So if you wanted to bring that back, you've got your little gold bar here with the 3 white lines. You click on that and that brings it back down again. So then you've got all of your SMB Solutions options. We'll exit out of full screen here. And then you still have all of that functionality there that you want for your SAP Business One. Okay, now we've made it really easy for you guys. We've just made a new website, or we've redesigned our website, which is this one just here. So it's smbsolutions.com.au. I definitely recommend going to check it out. We have lots of stuff on there, information about us, who we are, our services, our security. We've got some resources, which has some videos, including this tutorial video will be on there as well. But what I specifically want to point out today is we've created a little login button up the top here for you. So if you go to our website and if you click login, you've got all these direct access. So the way that I just showed you was the gateway for Australia. We also have a different website for our gateway for Singapore and Southeast Asia. They've also got our service portal if you need to log any tickets, and we've got our service status here. So that shows that all of our shows our data center information. And if it's making sure it's all up and running. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend going onto this service status page. When you go onto this service status page, click subscribe to updates. So if for any reason your SAP Business One was to go down and it's due to something and it's a fault in the data center, if you've already clicked subscribe to updates here, that will actually send you emails keeping you updated straight away. So I highly recommend it. So that's all I have to show you for today. Like I said, head on over to our website, check it out. We've also got our YouTube channel and our Wistia channel available with more tutorials and tips and tricks from SMB Solutions Cloud Services.